वेलकम टू दिस वीडियो। आज हम बात करेंगे कुछ जरूरी सवालों की जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाते हैं अगर आप किट खरीदने के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, विच वी कॉल फ्रिक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस। सो देखते हैं क्या है वे। लाइक वन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज, कैन वी हैव वन पॉइंट कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर वंस यू बाय द किट? तो यस, यू गेट एन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कोच विद यू who helps you throughout the time for implementing the kit in your context. Another question which people ask, that in case I need new templates after purchasing the kit, will we be able to get it? Yes. You are not buying just a kit, that's a one time. You are buying a complete ecosystem, complete support system. अगर आपने जो टेम्पलेट मांगा है वो नहीं होता है, we create it for you and give it to you. Please understand, we also appreciate your questions, your demand, because that's how this kit grows more and more stronger and powerful. Then few people ask that how can I make my employees understanding like what document or template they need to add in this ecosystem. So first of all, do not use this kit just for the sake of using it. आपकी कंपनी में, in your company, there are some problems, some challenges are there, solve that. If you are a team members, your ecosystem has some problem, solve that. And for solving that, you need some tools and templates, which this Smart Toolkit already have. So use that part and implement it. If you do not have that problem, if you are not solving one particular problem, you want to implement it phase by phase. So whatever is there in that phase, in the level of implementation, which is the part of this kit, the guide is there with this kit, उस सेक्शन को आप उठाइए and that you share it, that you roll out in your ecosystem, right? Then how one template will differ from one project to another project? The templates or the checklist you get are editable checklist. Download it, make multiple copies depending upon your organization and depending upon your project, whether it is a factory project or a school project. You can modify those checklists and make it as a part of your ecosystem, that is your company. So yes, you can modify it and make it different on the basis of the project. How to manage all templates in just one click? So for that, you get the kit link on your WhatsApp, on your email, and even though if you do not have that link, you can contact us. Once you have purchased the kit, we will give you that link. From that link, just search and click on the template and it will be there for you. So just a one click away. You are a part of a WhatsApp group. If you are a part of WhatsApp group, what to do? In that WhatsApp group, we keep on sharing about new workshop and new webinars which are related to implementation of this checklist, this Smart Toolkit. So you can keep on joining those groups and you can learn more from there. And anyhow, we are connected, so we make sure that you get those messages. So you can stay on those groups and get the new upgrades. कुछ वर्कशॉप्स होती हैं जो किट बायर्स के लिए फ्री होती हैं, बाकी सबको पे करना होता है. सो यू कैन एंजॉय द मेंबरशिप ऑफ दोज ग्रुप्स. Then what is the format of these templates? These are Excel, Doc, MSP templates, which you can use it with open source software or the Microsoft software or any other software which can edit these type of files, and then you can use it in your context with your own logo. Can I share these files? Yes, you can share these files. Whatever is required to implement this in your context, do that because that's what we want. The implementation of this thing and making the construction industry a better place to work, right? Can I upgrade to pro version later? Yes, if you have bought any other version and you want to upgrade, you have to pay the difference as of date and then you can upgrade the kit. Perfect. And yes, if you have any other question, please feel free to type in the chat box or message us one-to-one. We are connected via many platforms. We will answer it and we will love to answer all your questions which are regarding this toolkit, which is the only toolkit which you will ever need as a construction professional, as a contractor, as an architect, as a developer or as a supervisor. So I hope you have got answers of all your questions. If it is not there, you have got an idea how you can get the answers of your questions. And I am Abhinav Bhardwaj, son of a homemaker and a professor, father of a cute student, husband of a super supportive wife, tech guy from a tier 3 city, that is Saharanpur. From there grown as a civil engineer from IIT Delhi, grown as a PMP building in New Zealand, Oman and India, grown as a co-founder of Manam of Engineers, which has brought the smart construction management toolkit only and only for you, which is 1000 plus ready to use construction documents and templates. See you there. Thank you.